I'm Ben Farmer, I'm the CEO of Atherton Bikes, and we're here today to talk about our new additively manufactured mountain bike.
Hi, I'm Rachel Atherton.
I'm G Atherton, and we race downhill mountain bikes for Atherton Bikes.
We've been racing bikes for our whole lives really, and it's always been in the back of our minds there, ticking over, that we'd like to start our own bike company.
I'm Piers, Linney, I'm the Executive Chairman at Atherton Bikes. Atherton Bikes is designed to be disruptive in many ways. There's the Athertons clearly in terms of their brand and their following, but a core part of it is the technology.
So fundamentally, additive manufacturing allows us to create complex shapes with relative ease, and in turn it means we can keep improving designs quickly.
The key improvements to the structural performance of the bike using AM manufacturing technique is very strong. It gives us a lot of freedom with the design. When you're racing down a mountain as fast as you can through the forest, through mud and rocks, you have to trust that bike. You have to know tolerances are absolutely perfect.
So far, the bikes have performed so well. I mean, I've already had 2 World Cup wins on the bike, and that's been incredible to take a prototype bike straight to the top of the podium.
You'll see with the Renishaw solution centres to cover everything end to end, from build setup, obviously the AM part manufacturing itself, post-process heat treatments, post-process machining, and then finally inspection.
Atherton Bikes is going to be disruptive in a number of ways. One is the Athertons themselves, their skill, the way they can ride these bikes on the edge, and we can learn from that. Secondly is the technology, which is a core part of it. What this allows us to do, which is additive manufacturing, allows us to change designs, iterate the bike many times, and it could take 2 months of competition to change the design. We can do it in a week. We can take feedback literally from the racetrack, build it back into the design, improve the design, and the idea is over time additive manufacturing will allow us to customise bikes for the consumer.
Racing World Cups is obviously a huge focus and takes all your energy. So throughout our careers we've been really focused on winning World Cups and winning world titles, which we've both done a number of times. And then it came to the point in our careers where we needed something else, something more exciting to keep that fire burning. And additive manufacturing bikes is that excitement. It's absolutely cutting edge stuff.
Renishaw stands out as a supplier of additive manufacturing equipment because of the process cleanliness, which gives us really good mechanical properties. And then secondly, high levels of productivity from the multi-lasers.
Additive manufacturing is going to change the way that manufacturing occurs. And the great thing for young companies is we can innovate, we can compete, and we can do things that you could never do before, even as a small company.